Good morning, everyone. So it's around 6 o'clock in the morning. The sun about to rise. Just woke up from our camping trip. So that's our camp. So big it is. So actually we slept here last night. That's the river that we were fishing in. And guys came last night and they camp out too. So fishing starts early in the morning. So this is what's happening here. So we have like two sets of boats here with different people. Well, yeah, early in the morning, we're gonna go make some breakfast now, and then we're gonna start the day. Today. So we spend one night. We're spending one night here. But yeah, this is so cool, so surreal. Anyways, let me save my battery. See you guys later on.